Craft is for Indian Air Force, design and will be made in India. The status is that the design phase we have already completed. Now the detailed design where we start generating a data and do various kinds of testing for making the prototype. So those models and drawings, these kind of activities are there, which is all directed towards making the prototype and flying. We are hoping to start very shortly, maybe in this year, even the fabrication activities of the first prototype, and we are keeping a target that the rollout of AMCA, which is the India's 5th generation aircraft, will happen somewhere in 2024, followed by its first flight in 25, and then we require another at least 5 years time to complete the certification, so that after that it can be inducted to the services. If you see, both F-22 or JSF or the Russian aircrafts or J-21 Chinese, the only aircraft with a canard, they are a higher weight category. This aircraft and J-31, these are the only, what we hear, J-31 we don't get much information, but this would be a medium weight category. But even though this is a medium weight category, as I said, that it has been designed based on the requirement of our users. And if you compare with those aircrafts, we will see that even in the medium weight category, we are very fine doing in terms of the RCS values, in terms of weapon carrying capability, as well as in terms of the radius of action. The next thing is that some of those aircrafts have been developed much earlier, but today, as the time progresses, there are a large amount of technologies which get matured, and we are using those technologies. And some of the things, like other aircrafts, they have used paints and they try to make it too much on stealth, less on maneuverability, or more on maneuverability, less in stealth. What has happened, those aircraft which were made more on stealth, the availability of the aircraft became a problem. Like after making one flight, it will be on ground. Lot of maintenance and other activities needs to be done, which is generally easier for 4th generation aircraft because the accessibility is there. Next is that also to prepare, they take 1 day, 2 days. But this aircraft, those inputs, those learnings we have taken into consideration while designing this aircraft. So we have also integrated vehicle health monitoring, which we have addressed from the beginning of the design to ensure that the availability of this aircraft is very high. Whenever they want, they can use it. They can use it for longer duration and more. Also, in terms of technologies, the kind of materials and other things which we have developed successfully, those are things will be there in this aircraft. Again, I feel very proud. See, in a fighter aircraft, the major cost comes from the avionics, sensors and electronic warfare suits. For this aircraft, the avionics, the electronic warfare as well as the sensors going to be indigenous. It is our own. And there are also, since we have a very good experience of LCA, some of the equipments getting it, importing, and putting it, we face problems. So we have indigenized some of the important such components or LRUs, which we call it line with spin units, and some of them are going. So this will have very high percentage of indigenous contents. Only the Mark 1 may be flying with some, will be flying with some available engine, but later even engine also will be our own. We will bring a high power engine.